Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to the English learning with me, Mr. Gauss. Bertemu kembali dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris bersama Mr. Gauss. Today we are going to learn about transportation. Hari ini kita akan pelajari tentang alat transportasi. I go to school by bike. Saya pergi ke sekolah menggunakan sepeda. Atau saya pergi ke sekolah memakai sepeda. Okay, to start our lesson today, let's pray together by saying basmalah. Untuk memulai pembelajaran hari ini, mari kita berdoa dengan membaca basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, my students, look, listen, and say. Sekarang kita perhatikan, dengarkan, lalu nanti kita ucapkan bersama-sama. Okay, I have some pictures here, and of course the pictures are about transportation. Okay, the first picture is this. Now, what is this? Nah, ini gambar apa? Okay, this is bike or bicycle. Bike or bicycle. Untuk sepeda bisa bike atau bicycle. Okay, next picture is this. Okay, what is this? Yeah, this is car. This is a car. Okay, next picture. Yeah, what picture is this? Yeah, this is bus. Bus. Okay, the next picture. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, this is pedicab. 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 Pedicab itu beca ya. Pedicab beca. Okay, next picture. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, this is motorbike. Motorbike. Sepeda motor ya. Or motorcycle. Ya, bisa motorbike atau motorcycle. Okay, how about this? Nah, gambar apa ini? Yeah, this is taxi. 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 Okay, next picture. Yeah, what picture is this? Ini gambar apa ya? Okay, this is cart. Cart. Cart itu delman ya. Cart. Okay. Next picture. Yeah, what picture is this? Yeah, this is train. Train. Train itu kereta ya. Okay, train. Okay, I have another pictures here. Yeah, this picture is, what picture is this? Yeah, this is subway. Subway. Ini kereta bawah tanah ya. Okay, how about this? This is truck. Truck. Ya, truck itu mobil truk ya. Okay, how about this? Yeah, this is boat. 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 Boat itu perahu ya. Okay, how about this one? Yeah, what picture is this? Yeah, this is ship. Ship. Ya, pendek saja mengucapannya ship. Ya, ship itu kapal laut ya. Mengucapannya jangan panjang, jangan ship. Kalau ship panjang itu domba ya. Tapi ini kapal laut itu ship, pendek saja. Okay, how about this? Yeah, this is submarine. Submarine. Nah, submarine ini kapal selam ya. Okay, submarine. Okay, how about this? Yeah, this is plane. Plane. Atau airplane ya. Bisa plane atau airplane. Nah, how about this one? Yeah, this is the last one. Yeah, this is helicopter. 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 Okay. Nah, itulah nama-nama alat-alat transportasi ya. Okay, now I have examples. Nah, Mr. Gauss sekarang punya contoh nih ya. Sekarang kita perhatikan. Ya. Okay, the girl asking to the boy, how do you go to school every day? How do you go to school every day? Bagaimana kamu ke sekolah setiap hari? Atau memakai apa kamu ke sekolah setiap hari? Okay, the boy answers, I go to school by bike. I go to school by bike. Saya pergi ke sekolah memakai sepeda. How do you go to school every day? I go to school by bike. Okay. Next example. Yeah, the boy is asking, how does he go to the office every day? Ini menanyakan seseorang ya, laki-laki ya, kepada perempuan ini ya. How does he? Bagaimana dia? Nah, he ini laki-laki. Bagaimana dia pergi ke office, ke kantor setiap hari? Nah, ternyata dianya itu ke kantor menggunakan mobil ya. The girl is answering, he goes to the office by car. He goes to the office by car. Dia, sini ya, laki-laki ini, dia pergi ke kantor memakai mobil. Okay, I have another example. Yeah. How does she go to the market every day? How does she go to the market every day? Bagaimana dia pergi ke pasar setiap hari? Ini she ya, she ini dianya perempuan. Kayak kita perhatikan. Nah, ini ya. So the girl is answering, she goes to the market by pedicab. She goes to the market by pedicab. Dia pergi ke pasar memakai beca. Dia pergi ke pasar memakai beca. Okay, another example. How does Mr. Ali go to Jakarta? Ini tanpa de ya. How does Mr. Ali go to Jakarta? How does Mr. Ali go to Jakarta? Bagaimana Pak Ali pergi ke Jakarta? Nah, ternyata memakai kereta. Nah, the girl is answering, he goes to Jakarta by train. He goes to Jakarta by train. Mr. Ali diganti dengan he ya. Kata ganti he ya, karena Mr. Ali ini laki-laki, dia ya, untuk dia laki-laki itu he. Jadi he goes to Jakarta by train. Oke, nah untuk pertanyaan dan jawaban yang tadi itu, kalau you, they, we itu menggunakan how do ya. Kalau he dan she itu how does. How do you go to? How do they go to? Ya. How do we go to? Nah, itu pakai do kalau subjeknya you, they, we. Kalau subjeknya he dan she itu pakai does. How does he go to? How does she go to? Gitu ya. Nah, nanti jawabannya kalau I, they, dan we itu pakai go. I go to bla 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 by bla bla bla. They go to bla bla bla. We go to bla bla bla, gitu ya. Nah, kalau he dan she itu pakai goes. He goes to bla bla bla. She goes to bla bla bla. Itu ya. Okay, my children, I think it's enough for today. Nice to meet you and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.